Greetings and welcome to Unisprinkle Muse, brought to you by One Sprinkle Love. Today is going to be oatmeal with herbs and fruit. So we got oatmeal, water, chamomile, clove, lavender, hibiscus, cinnamon, immune boost, tea, raisins, cran raisins, dates, an apple, and honey. So when you're making the oatmeal, it's 2 cups of water. Of course, you add other stuff. So you're going to add some more water, and then you're going to have your cup of oats because you're making for one person. You make more, you add more. So then you want to put in your herbs and your fruit so that you're getting, it's packed full of vitamins and minerals and all that good jazz. All right. So we got hibiscus. All right. So when you're done making your hibiscus tea that you're going to combine with your green tea, then you're going to dry it out, and then you're going to put in your little chopper, and then you got an herb that will last you 6 months. So these are the leaves, and you want to make sure you boil it with your green tea, and then you're going to strain it, and you're going to save it, and usually 3 days will take to dry out in the summer, but today it's winter, so it takes about a week. All right, so then you get your lavender, okay, and then you put it in your container. Make sure you label your containers so you don't forget in like 6 months from now. What is that? Okay, so you got your clove, you got your chamomile, okay, and then you got your cinnamon, you got your immune boost tea. Now these teas I get from Desert Sage Herbs, and they do their own blending of different teas. So it's a family-owned business. They've been there like forever. So there you go. You got, for the chamomile, it's thiamine, riboflavin. Clove, you got magnesium. It's vitamin K, vitamin C, calcium, vitamin E, fiber. Lavender, vitamin A, C, E, antioxidants. Hibiscus, carb, calcium, magnesium, potassium, vitamin C and B, cinnamon, potassium, magnesium, and calcium. So when you're doing an herb and you're adding it to your food, I don't add any salt. So you're going to add a pinch, maybe two at the max, that will go into your oatmeal. All right. So a pinch would be like 1/8 of a teaspoon if you're afraid to touch the herbs. So enjoy, and blessings to you, and happy eating.